Warning, this video contains live mice being eaten. If you do not like this, then please do not watch. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is me with my new HD camcorder. Decided to film first my Blizzard corn snake. Very happy I got this for Christmas. Now I can give you amazing quality video. So, yep. Happy about this. But that's my Blizzard corn snake I got. Eating a pinky. I want to put a couple of these videos together, possibly separate also. You know, look for quite a few of these videos out there. But, yeah. Tell me what you think. Give you a little test of 42 times zoom. That's what the max is on us. I'll zoom in for you. Oh, I guess not. Too blurry. Hold on. A little bit more. Sorry everyone, I'm just testing out my camera. Well, that's about 2/3 of the way. What? Okay. Well, I hope you guys liked my new HD camcorder. Videoing this now in HD. No more 360 for me. So, you know, tell me what you guys think about it. Or about my snake. And you guys can always leave comments or questions down below.